Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add education in Facebook profile. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook and log in into your account. Click on your profile picture on the top right. From here you need to click on your name. Scroll down and here you can see your about info. Click here and here you can see different options. Here you can see education. You can add college, add high school. So let's suppose I want to add high school. Click here. So you need to mention your school name. So I'm going to search for a random one. So for example, this one. You can select year from here. So 2019. You can select class year here, and you can share with public, with friends, with only me. So it is up to you. And then you need to. So I want to only me. Click on save. Wait for a few seconds, and here you can see that if you want you can share this as well. Click on share and here you can see you can add college as well. So this is the process how you can add education on your Facebook profile. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.